Hi guys, in this video we're gonna learn how you can send large PDF files in Outlook. So we usually go to new in order to compose a new email, then just fill all of the details. For instance, I'm just gonna insert the PDF. Click on insert, go to attach file, click on the browse this computer option and choose your PDF. This is the one in my case. I can just double click on that, and as soon as I select my PDF, I get this kind of error which says that I need to remove the large inline images or attachment from the file, and then only I can send this PDF. So which is like happening due to the bigger size of the PDF. So the error may vary in your case, but in order to like overcome this, or in order to solve this problem, what you need to do, just firstly we need to close this. Now open a browser, and in the browser we need to type Google Drive, then open Google Drive, log in with your Google account, and now we're gonna upload the PDF file just right here. So for that, click on new file upload and just upload your PDF file. So this is the PDF file which we have uploaded. Just hit right click on the PDF file, click on the share and just click on the option share, and just right here we need to change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. Click on the copy link button and just click on done. Now we're gonna minimize this, and just here we're gonna paste the link which we have copied. So if you send this email to anyone whom you wanna like send the PDF file, that person can click on the link and will be able to download the PDF file on his computer. So let's say I just copy the link, and if I go to my browser and open incognito mode and paste the link right here, this is the exact window that person gonna get once he click on the link, and just right here he has the option to download the PDF. And yeah, that's it. This is the workaround which you can use in order to send large PDF files in Outlook. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.